How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hi guys, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up TikTok on your device first. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. The next step is you need to head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on it. And once you tap on profile, this opens up. So what you need to do next is, at the top right, you should be finding 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on it, and a menu appears. Now, from the given menu, select the first option that says TikTok Studio, tap on it, and then once you open up TikTok Studio, here you should be finding monetization and different other tools that you may use on TikTok. So what you need to do is, at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a settings, tap on it, and once you open up settings, here you should be finding video sound copyright check. All you gotta do is turn this option on and it will auto check every time there is a new post, which will help you avoid copyright on TikTok. So all you gotta do is choose music from TikTok Music Library or to properly license your own music for social media and the news, and then you may go ahead and post it and you should not be able to get copyright on TikTok. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.